Recently, AI-generated transformation videos of mechanical objects like these have been getting a lot of engagement and views. In this video, I will show you how you can create this type of content yourself and the logic behind it. First, open ChatGPT. Paste the current master prompt that I've specially prepared for you into the message box. You can quickly customize the variables within the master prompt manually or with the help of an AI tool to fit the specific length and script of the video you want to create. You can find this master prompt and detailed instructions on how to use it in the Master Prompts channel of our free Telegram group, which is linked among the links to our communities in the video description. Because these types of videos consist of 2 visual scenes and are based on short and fast consumption, I requested 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt from my prompt. First, copy the first generated image prompt and go to OpenArt AI. After selecting the Create Image option in OpenArt, choose the Nano Banana 2 model from the Models section. Paste the image prompt you copied into the prompt section and select the 9:16 vertical format. Depending on your budget and preferences, you can choose different resolutions and image generation models. After checking the generated image and confirming it is as we want, we save it. Since we do not want unwanted changes in our scene, we will use the Edit Image section on the OpenArt site. After moving the first scene visual we produced to the Edit Image section, we go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image command, return to OpenArt, paste the prompt we copied into the command box, and create our second scene visual. The reason we use the Edit Image section at this stage is to achieve perfect harmony between the scenes. After our images are created, select the Frame to Video, Convert Frame to Video section. Again, you can use different models and output settings according to your budget. This time, I am choosing Kling 3.0 as the video production model. Then, I place the first image I created into the starting frame, and the second scene I produced into the end frame section. Return to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt I created, return to OpenArt, and paste your video command into the command box. Make sure the audio setting is on. I set the video output settings to a length of 8 seconds and choose 720p quality for resolution. You can adjust your output preferences to obtain high-quality resolution and longer or shorter videos, and then click the Create button. Let me remind you that depending on your content type preferences, you can create higher quality content with different video generation models, such as Seedance, VO, or WAN. Of course, most importantly, while producing this kind of content for YouTube, do not forget that copying content exactly and producing low-quality content without making any changes is a policy violation. Do not forget to adapt, personalize, and share the types of content you are inspired by or want to do something similar to by adding value yourself. The final result of the video we produced will look something like this. To improve your content production and editing skills, you can join our free communities via the link in the description. There, you can chat with like-minded people and support us on our journey to build the largest global content creation community. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like the video, share your suggestions and requests in the comments, and subscribe to the channel.